Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, Southern Angel Stamping. If you're new to my channel, please remember to click that subscribe button right down below, and remember to also click the bell for all notifications. Also remember to give me a thumbs up and share this video. Also, if you'll leave me a comment, that helps my channel to grow. So with further ado, we'll get on with this video. Thanks for watching. Hey y'all, so I'm doing another vlog and it's been a while, I think about a week. Today is May 30th, Memorial Weekend, May 30th, 2021. Let's see, so I'm going to kind of fill you in on some of the things that's been going on this week, and hopefully I won't make this too long, but yeah, so since it's been a week, for one, as you notice, I am kind of laid up in bed because my back went out on me a few days ago, so I've been trying to take it easy and rest, and been laying on the heating pad, and so it's felt a little bit better, but it's still really hard for me to get around. And then let's see, it just seems like when it rains it pours, huh? Monday, Ella, last Monday, so it's been almost a week now since her little accident. Her nail, one of her nails, actually it was two, I've just noticed she's lost two. She got a nail, or like I said, two nails now that I've noticed. Her nails got caught on the outside porch, on the stairs, and her nails got pulled out, and I had to wrap them up to get the bleeding to stop. Called the vet and everything to find out what to do. My husband was, she got the bandage off and everything, and yesterday, and my husband was going to take her to the emergency vet, and was there till after 2 a.m. waiting. Never did get seen. They were just backed up. They were short-handed and very busy. So he got tired and then had to go to the bathroom. He had to wait with her out in his truck. So he came on back home with her, and before he could even pick her up, she jumped out of the truck and ran on all fours all the way up the stairs to the door, and then jumped up on the bed. So apparently she was fine after she got that bandage off. The bandage must have been really bothering her. She's been fine today, not limping, nothing. Doesn't look all that swollen, just a little bit where the nails came out. She's not whimpering or whining. Just a little red, you know, it looks about like how if we lose a nail, that's what it looks like. I've lost toenails before, and so you know how that hurts and is red and sore, but it doesn't look infected. I've kept it real clean and everything, so I'm trying to keep a real close eye on it. If it does look any worse than it does, I am going to get her back to the vet. And I'll call them and get her seen immediately. But that's what's been going on. So I've been asking for prayer for her, but she's been fine. Appetite's been good. Everything, because I know if she would, first she was in a lot of pain and she would not let me near her foot. She was limping around and everything, but she's doing real good right now. So about our apartment. An electrician came by and that has done work downstairs, like on that coffee shop, actually told us that this place is not really up to code and the safest, that we should be looking for another place to live. So, told me and my husband both that he's actually gotten into it with our landlord. We found out that it had been red tagged, the building, and so then we found out there's things in our contract that we signed that now our landlord wants to mark through, and after we've signed it and he signed it, now he wants to mark through it. So we are wanting to get a lawyer because that's a legal document and he can't just go back and mark through and say no, he's not going to live up to what that says, because it says actually in the contract that he's responsible for the power, and he's saying no, he don't want to be responsible for it. See, he didn't read it. His office drew that up and he didn't read it. We didn't read it thoroughly. He didn't read it thoroughly. We all signed it. Well, my husband did. So, anyway, now my husband's going to get a lawyer on that. He's going to have to find one quick. He did come back this weekend because he's going to Florida tomorrow. Took out that one window unit that we got, and the one that my husband took out, and they were cleaning them. Took them outside to clean them because I sent him videos on how to clean them. But my husband was down there watching, and with all the stuff coming in, he said it didn't take them completely apart to clean them. So my husband, before they brought him upstairs, he took the rest of it apart and was thoroughly cleaning it, because he said it was just the back part of it was just gunked up black. So he said, yeah, he cleaned it real good, and he said you didn't even want to see what was coming out of it. And I said, oh, I can imagine, because I've seen them online how nasty they look. And he said, well, it was just, he said it looked like poop almost just running out of that back of the air conditioner. It was just nasty. I said, I can imagine. So now, the one is in that garage. It's not up here yet, but the one that was in here is in here, nice and clean. My husband made sure of that. And then today the landlord had another electrician come up here and put separate outlets in each room. Matter of fact, I gotta make sure that there's one in my office where I'll be, because I'm gonna have an air conditioner in that room. So he did do that, put the knobs on the cabinet doors, put the little things on the bottom of the toilet that were missing, put the chains on the fan. It's just been little things every week, except for that floor last week, which took 2 weekends. So I told him when he comes back next week, I want my washer and dryer taken care of. I need a place to do laundry. My husband is going to be looking for another place for us. Of course, we'll stay here, you know, until we do find another place. Because it was hard for us to find this place. Now there was a place that we, like I said, one time before, there was a place we were supposed to look at, and he did not go look at it. because it was further away from his job, and I think that's why he didn't go look at it really, he told me. And but there was, you know, just a couple of stairs, and that was it. And it had a yard. It was, I think, a trailer or something. And but it would have been a lot better off than this place. Yeah, we're gonna be looking for a place. Y'all excuse my voice. So yeah, we're definitely gonna be looking, and hopefully we can find something in the price range. We're just praying that we can. And I really don't want another apartment. We're praying that we can find a house. Something maybe we could rent to own or something like that. Would be a lot better. And but that's what we'd really like. That's what we've been trying to find anyway. So we'll just keep praying that we can find something like that. And I have faith that we will. So that's what's been going on, and we'll just have to wait and see what happens. Because yeah, the man said that the smoke detectors don't even work properly, and the wiring's not good here. So that makes me very nervous about being here. And now I'm just gonna have to pray that the Lord will just keep us safe until we get out of here. So I guess that's about it for this vlog. Thank y'all so much for watching, and please remember to leave me a comment and say hello, especially if you're a new subscriber. Even if you're an old subscriber, make sure you leave me a comment. I hope everybody is having a wonderful and blessed holiday weekend, and hope y'all are doing some crafts and everything. Let me know what y'all are doing this weekend. I'd love to know. Just tell me in the comments below. Keep in touch with me and everything, and I'll be keeping in touch with you on what's going on. And I am going to still be doing some organizing and stuff here, even though we're going to, you know, be trying to find a place to move. Because, I mean, I've still got to live here, so I want to make it home while I'm here. So I am going to do some things just as soon as I can get up and move around, you know, and rest my back up. So, because I bought the stuff from Dollar Tree to do some organizing, so I'm going to show you what I'm going to use in the bathroom, and show you how I'm going to organize under my bathroom sink with some of those baskets. So that'll be coming up in a video real soon. So yeah, make sure if you're not a subscriber to subscribe and click that bell. And if you are a subscriber and you're not getting notifications, just make sure you have clicked the bell. And if you have done that and you're still not getting notifications, you might want to go back and like unsubscribe and resubscribe again and click the notification bell again, because I've had to do that with some people that I'm actually subscribed to, because I wasn't getting notified all the time. I'd get some notifications and sometimes I wasn't. So I noticed if I went back and unsubscribed and then resubscribed right away and clicked the bell on them, that helps. So I don't know why. I don't know what's going on with YouTube, but because I was told to do that. So you may have to do that with my channel as well. I just wanted to let you know. But I thank y'all for, you know, sticking with me through all this mess that I'm going through. Thanks for supporting my channel through all this, and all your prayers, your love, and your comments. Thank you so much, and just God bless all of y'all. I'll see you again soon in the next one.